which will eventually result in slow loading speed. So I will now click on this Publish button. Here, I will enable this option, which will set this page as the default home page of this store. And then I will hit the Save and Publish button. Once it's done, we need to click on this View button and check if our page is looking fine or not. For example, you can see that the banner is not set to full width, which is why it is not looking much attractive. So I will go back to the editor now. And then I will select this first section. Next, on the left settings, I will go to the columns gap option and set it to no gaps. I will also go to content width and set it as full width. And then I will click on this Publish button once again. Next, I will click on this View button once again, and you can see that the banner is full width now. And with this step, our home page structure is complete. The next step for us would be to create a product page now. So I will return to EComposer and close this editor. Next, I will go to Landing and Pages options on the left menu. I will click on this Create a New Page option, and then I will select the Product Page option here. Now, EComposer will only show me the product page templates. To have a detailed look on these templates, I only need to click on this Preview button, which will open up a new page that contains the entire preview of the template. Just like last time, I will select the blank template here, and then I will simply follow the steps until it takes me to the EComposer editor. Here on the left-hand side, you'll see a drop-down called Shopify Product Page. This section contains all the elements that you need to design your product page. You can use these elements to design your product page, but it will take a lot of time if you try to do it manually. So, to save some time, you can use the pre-made sections. And we also have some presets that we can use. I personally don't recommend adding too many elements on the product page. A good product page should be simple, contain all information about your products, and have some social proofs to convert more visitors into customers. If you are adding too many elements, you are just confusing your visitors, so don't do that. Okay, once your product page is complete, you can click on this Save button to save your page. But please be aware that you can only publish a single page with the free plan of EComposer. To publish more pages, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. If you go to the Subscriptions and Plans option here, you'll see the paid plans of EComposer. The free plan allows you to publish one page only, whereas the Pro plan will let you publish up to 15 pages, which is good enough when you are just starting out. Remember, the reason why I recommend page builders is because you can customize your store as per your own requirements. Plus, it will allow you to create unique designs for your store. You see, there are thousands of Shopify themes available on the internet, but on the other hand, there are millions of merchants using Shopify to grow their online business. So even if you spend some money on premium themes, you won't be able to differentiate from your competitors, because sooner or later, your competitors will also start following your footsteps. So the best way to differentiate your competition and stay unique is to use a page builder and create a completely different page. I also don't recommend that you use any of these pre-made templates because chances are that many people are already using it into their online store. So to build something unique, you should use your imagination. Sure, you can use the pre-made sections, but don't use the entire template. And if you don't have the money to get a paid plan of EComposer, then I recommend that you only design the homepage with it. For the product page, I have already created a complete tutorial on how you can create a high-converting Shopify product page using all the free resources. I will leave that video link in the video description.